Lee?
Yes.
What we doing?
We're getting up. Stupid o'clock.
What for?
We're going to the Pontcysyllte Aqueduct.
The Pontcysyllte.
That's the one.
We're going to Wales.
Like you do.
We're going to see Martin and Sarah. Excuse the hair because I haven't really done it yet because it's really early. But we're hopping in the car and we're going all the way up to the deepest, darkest Wales to meet Martin and Sarah aboard Pride of Nuffield to go across the Pontcysyllte Aqueduct. And I don't like heights. So I'm not sure how this is going to go. Bye!
Bye!
It's time to go. It's getting on for 7 o'clock. It's cold. It's winter. We're going to Pontcysyllte. That rhymed. Bye. We're here. Where are we? At Pontcysyltte. Go on then, Martin, how do you pronounce it?
GoPro 7. I was thinking I call it Pontcysyllte, but it's not right. It's just what I call it. Because I can't even
How are you? Yeah, good to see you.
I call
So
it
this is
Pontcysyltte.
Right. I call it Pontcysyltte. Everyone does it, and they correct me. I say, I don't care what you call it. What it's supposed to be. That's how I know it, and that's good enough for me.
That's right.
As we go now.
Close now to going over the Pontcysyltte Aqueduct. You just hit the side, it's all too much. Did it, Martin?
You can't get lost going across here, that's the thing. No such thing as taking the wrong lane.
That's weird seeing the birds in the trees there, look.
Yeah.
Well, there we are then. That was fabulous, wasn't it? Having a day going across the Pontcysyllte Aqueduct, innit? It's absolutely fabulous day out. And thanks to Martin and Sarah, isn't it? Is my Welsh accent good? It's not bad, is it? Am I still allowed to take the mickey out of accents? I suppose it depends which accent I'm taking the mickey out of. Anyway, after we got back to the boat, back across the aqueduct, we moored up, we had a sausage sandwich, and then Martin wanted to get his tank out. So have a look at this. It's pretty cool, to be fair. Well, that's it then. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to it, or whatever you're supposed to do. Get us more subscriber things and all that. If you didn't like it, well, don't be so bloody miserable. That's it, folks. See you next time. Bye.